Welcome to Homework Lib.
So our question asks, which graph best represents the time t dependence of the current I induced in the brain tissue, assuming that this tissue can be modeled as a resistive circuit, where the units are arbitrary. So graph A, B, C, or D. So I'm just going to go ahead and kind of talk you through this here, right? So the induced EMF is directly proportional to the current, right? Because induced EMF E is equal to just Ohm's law, I times R. Okay, so that's what we know. So so from part B of the figure given in passage problem, the magnetic field first rises rapidly to a maximum value of 0.5 milliseconds and then gradually falls to zero. So for graph A, as current is directly proportional to the slope, the current is initially positive and then the curve falls. Therefore, the current is going to approach zero. So as the slope approaches zero, the current approaches zero. And this does not satisfy the option D. So this isn't correct. For B here, the current is directly proportional to the slope. The current is initially positive, and then the curve falls. Therefore, the current approaches zero. So this doesn't satisfy option D, so this can't be correct. So for C, the current is directly proportional to the slope. The current's initially positive, and then the curve falls, and the current becomes negative. So as the slope approaches zero, the current again approaches zero. Thus, option C perfectly matches the description. So option C is the correct answer. We'll box that in.